Hello traders, my name is Jaroslav, Chief Market Analyst at olymptrade.com, and I'm here to bring you another video in the series of Psychology of Trading. Today we are going to be talking about the good stuff, the good psychological aspects that you can adopt to increase your profits in trading. We're going to be talking about the amnesia approach, where you go forward with each day with the mind state of a pro athlete, and how you can use affirmations in your trading to boost up your emotional strength and prowess. So without further ado, let's get started. So the amnesia approach, you got to leave the past in the past. You can't change it. You can't fix it. What you can do is start each day brand new. You got to start each day and give yourself a mental shampoo where you forgive and forget past mistakes, but you learn from them, but you don't let them drag you down. This is a very difficult mental exercise, a very difficult mental sport, because you are bombarded with losing trades throughout the week, throughout the month, and you got to leave those behind and be confident in your approach. You got to be confident in your trading system. You got to be confident in your skill as a trader, and that only comes with practice and time. All right, so you got to stop constantly thinking and worrying about past mistakes, and try not to let your losses grow. We talked about this in past videos, but basically if you're taking too much size on and you're losing too much, you got to stop. You got to just cut yourself away from the monitor. Remember, you are a financial athlete. It will really help you in your trading if you consider what pro athletes do. If you ever take a weightlifter, for example, before they go up to lift the heaviest weights they possibly can, they do a mental exercise where they repeat to themselves, they watch a video of themselves in their mind winning, of lifting that weight, how easy it'll be, how they will stand up and take it to the finish line. That is what you have to do. Imagine yourself seeing the perfect setup in the markets. Imagine the market hitting your level, doing a fake breakout. You get in on that fake breakout, and then it continues up higher, just like your analysis would leave you to believe. It also pays to have a second approach where you see that if the market goes against you, you close your position by hand and you open it in the opposite direction. But again, a certain level of skill and experience needs to be present in order for you to be able to do that kind of shift. Remember that in the market, you eat what you kill. If you make money trading, then you will have a full and hearty meal. If you constantly lose, then it's going to be a little bit more harder for you. So you have to imagine yourself winning, and you have to repeat this exercise every trading session. My name is Jaroslav Berchenko. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and leave it a thumbs up and share this on your social media page so that your friends and people that visit your page, A, know where to get that good information, and then B, people know what you're into, know that you're interested in trading, that you are interested in geopolitics, that you're a smart guy. I wish you guys success. Good luck in your trading. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time. Peace.